this is Joseph, and I've been doing this for 20 years, and we're doing training today, and I just love teaching. I love this field, and I want to help people who are in this field to really provide safe techniques to your patients, natural. All right, so let's elevate, learn, and grow together.
Here with Joseph and his team has been amazing. I love the hands-on portion. He's super informative and so patient with all of us. I think it was a great experience overall.